You suck at cooking, yeah, you totally suck.
Haters are gonna say it's fake, that it's not real bacon, just a fake carrot. But if you look a little closer, you'll find that carrots have the same leathery skin, the same tube-like shape, and the same breathing mechanism as pigs. We'll start by shaving the carrot's external skin. Now you can throw out those external strips if you like wasting things, or you can make a nice translucent window decoration. If you've got self-peeling carrots, congratulations on being rich, but we're gonna do this the way they used to make bacon in the olden days. Now keep on slicing until you've got long, slender carrot paper. Someone really ought to make this into a beautiful wallpaper. I think this goes without saying, but make sure you're using American carrots and not Swiss carrots. So we're gonna combine 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil like sunflower, a tablespoon of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika, some salt, some pepper. Then we'll wang jangle that together into thick edible tar. Now we'll throw that carrot paper into a wide bowl, then pour that smoky elixir into all the cracks and crevices and give them a nice dirty tar bath for a few minutes. They say pigs are really smart, but have you ever seen a pig make a cup of tea? Neither have I. Now we'll lay our soggy carrot paper on a wire rack so they don't pool in their own grease, because we're making real crispy bacon here. Now don't forget to thoroughly wash that carrot grease off your hands so you don't get carrot bacteria all over your house. Undos on 3 fundo, and we'll put these in for around 10 minutes. Shh, you hear that? It's sizzling. That's how you know it's real bacon. And for the best results possible, you want to make sure you burn that first batch just to practice the limits. Then you want to burn that second batch a bit less because we're steadily improving. Then we'll make a batch that's really soggy, retaining the carrot's flappy essence. Then we'll get one that's just about right. You have to borderline char it to get it crispy, or maybe wick away any excess oil on some paper towel, or probably use an air fryer. And if that doesn't work, just add some crisping gel. Okay, but can you honestly tell the difference between this piece of carrot bacon and this piece of pig bacon? You can't, because this one's carrot too. And there you have it. Real, authentic, 100% actual bacon that totally exists. You know what they say, if it looks like bacon, it sounds like bacon, and it tastes like a smoky carrot, then it's definitely bacon.
When they tell you that it's not real bacon, tell them nothing's real, because we live inside a simulation. They'll tell you bacon